guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make an easy and delicious guacamole and avocado salsa. So in case you guys want to learn how I make this delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the guacamole, we're going to need 2 large avocados, 1 Roma tomato, a half of a small white onion, 1 small bunch of cilantro, 1 chile serrano or jalapeño, 1/2 of a lime, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alrighty, and for our avocado salsa, we're going to need 3 large avocados, 3 chile serranos or jalapeños, 3 garlic cloves, a half of a lime, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 small bunch of cilantro, a half of a tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 of a cup of water. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by chopping our onion, tomato, and chile serrano. Cilantro, we're just going to separate the leaves from the stem. So just make sure you get all your leaves. So now we're just going to cut our avocados in half. Okay. Open them. And we're going to put them in our bowl. And just get it all out. And don't get rid of the pit because we're going to use it at the end. That's gonna help us keep our avocado fresh. So now we're just going to smash it. Use a fork for that. So smash our avocado. And these were good avocados, so they're easy to smash. Okay, so once we have them all nice and smashed, we're going to add all of our veggies. So now we're going to add the lime juice. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. We're going to add our black pepper and our garlic salt. And now just mix it. It smells so delicious. The combination of all the veggies, avocado, and the lime. And now we have our delicious guacamole ready to be eat just like that, you know, with the chips, or to top them on delicious tacos, quesadillas, tostadas, you name it. So now I'm going to use my pit, and that's gonna help you guys keep the avocado from turning brown. So I'm just gonna leave it in there, and that's it. We got our delicious guacamole. And for the avocado salsa, it's super easy. All we're going to do is just blend all of our ingredients. So we have the onion, our 3 garlic cloves, our 3 chile serranos, and for our cilantro, we're just going to get all of our leaves, put them in there, and of course, all of our avocados. Get them all in there. We're going to add our salt, our water, and of course our lime juice. And now we're just going to blend until we have a very smooth salsa. Alrighty, so now we can transfer it to our bowl. And if you feel like this is too thick for your liking, you can always add more water. So good. And there you have it. And then the same thing, you can always add the pit after you're done, with the salsa, and put it in the refrigerator to preserve it for an extra day. So that's it. Alrighty, and now for the best part.
Potatoes.
Yes, so we're ready. Okay, so let me put one down. So we're gonna try that one first. Giovanni's already ready, so we're gonna try the salsa. The avocado salsa. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheers. I could honestly sit here and just eat this with the chips by itself. Super delicious. How is it? Is it spicy? No? It has jalapeños. Okay, ready for the other one? The guacamole? Okay.
What?
Right?
No.
Oh, hurry! I'm ready. Perfect for Sunday football. For football Sunday. What happened? You got hot? No? It was too much. He put too much in his chip.
What happened?
Jesus. What happened? What happened? Come on. Alright.
Mom, not put too much.
I love it. I love guacamole. I love avocados in general.
I hear something close.
That's the pit. Go around it.
What is that fish?
That's just to keep the, according to Nana, that's just to keep the avocados from going bad. Come on, ready?
Mom, I put too much.
No, you're fine. Cheers.
Mom, you put too much.
Okay, cheers. It's good, huh? It's so good. It's just perfect. It doesn't need anything. Everything's just on point. Perfect for football Sunday.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alrighty. You guys gotta try this recipe, huh?
It's really good. It tastes not bad.
Alrighty. You ready? Okay, let's go. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious guacamole or your avocado salsa. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know what's your favorite kind of dip or salsa. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye!
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica.